Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to part 2 of this series. In this video, we're going to be talking about the best niches to get into for your channel growth. This video is only going to cover the types of niches, and in the next video, we're going to be covering the expected returns from these niches. So number 1 is top 5, top 10 videos. This niche is huge. It's that big that you can clickbait the hell out of it, not get critiqued from it. You're never going to run out of ideas either. You can always just create a top 10, top 5 video about literally anything. You know, top 5 facts that you didn't know about pencils. Top 5 facts you didn't know about the human body. Top 5 facts you didn't know about computer parts. You know, there is an unlimited amount of content there, so you're never going to run out of videos. The second type of niche is compilation videos. Now, a lot of people out there want to make compilation videos because they're easy to put together, but there's a catch to them. You need to have a written license for each video or clip you are using in the compilation video. If you don't, and just rely on Creative Commons, the channel's gonna fail. The reason of this is because Creative Commons is what you call an unknown space, meaning the origin of the video is unknown. You know, someone could have just gone over to a random website, downloaded a video, put it on YouTube as Creative Commons, then you've grabbed that video, put it on your video, and use Creative Commons, and then the original poster of the video comes along onto YouTube and can copyright every single one of those videos. So you want to make sure you have a written license for each video or clip that you are going to be using, hands down, without a doubt. The second thing is you need to also meet the YouTube partnership criteria, which in some of their policies, it includes you can't have duplicate content and you cannot reuse videos. Now, to get around this, you'll need two things. You'll need a microphone and a webcam. With the microphone, you want to make sure that you're doing some sort of voiceover or commentary of the compilation videos. And the second one is the webcam, and you want to do some sort of reaction video to those compilations. And once you have those two steps, you should be fine with the YouTube partner issues, and also your copyright issues will be fine with your license. The third the third niche is finance videos. This niche is quite small in comparison to the other two. It doesn't get as many views, but the return is massive. The reason for this is because your revenue streams are unlimited. You have selling courses, affiliate links, consultation calls, marketing, top 1 recommendations, plus the revenue from your YouTube channel itself. So it's an extremely high paying niche. And who doesn't want to make money, right? So it's in high demand. You get loads of search results. So it's good, it's a good niche to get into. I hope this video has helped you guys find your niche that you're going to be using. And in the next video, we're going to be talking about what the highest paying niches are and what the expected revenue of these niches are. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification to make sure you get notified when I upload a new episode or part to this series. Peace, guys.